Hope everyone is doing well. My name is EQ and welcome to Stockaholics. So today we're going to be going over Waves. But before we get into this Waves video, I do want to let you guys know that I'm going to drop a link in the bio. This link is going to expire after 24 hours, but if you hit it within those 24 hours, you'll be able to join our Discord group for free. So don't miss out on that one. Take advantage of it. It's definitely worth it. We've got around 250 people in our group already, so come join the fam. So Waves is going to be a decentralized blockchain. They're trying to be involved in everything. So they have a DeFi side, they have an NFT side now. They're working with smart contracts, working in stable coins and creating liquidity pools, all that kind of stuff. Currently ranked 60th, sitting at a $1.4 billion market cap, which is still relatively low, at $13 a coin. Currently at a circulating supply of 105 million, and there's no max supply, so it's an infinite token. So Waves is an all-encompassing ecosystem of innovative Web 3.0 technologies for everyday implementation. So they're trying to hit the use case factor in everything that they're doing. Right off the bat, DeFi ecosystem, Waves Duck Hunters, which is their new NFT game. Pretty basic and self-explanatory. There's not too much on the website, but everything about them is open source. You can find all their coding on GitHub. So they are fully transparent. That is a good thing to see. Waves is an open blockchain protocol and development tool set, so it's made for developers, kind of like Avalanche. They're involved in smart contracts, so they have a unique approach to decentralized application development by avoiding gas and non-Turing compete language. They keep the system secure and predictable. For smart contract creation, Waves provides its native language called RIDE. Its straightforward and developer-friendly syntax makes blockchain development easy and intuitive. Waves is leased proof of stake. They're proof of stake, so they are going over how much coin you have versus how much power you have, like a proof of work. Users can also lease their Waves to a Waves node and get a part of the node payout as a reward, preserving full control over their Waves under their accounts. The Waves NG protocol boosts blockchain performance to hundreds of transactions per second by using liquid blocks that grow continuously until the next block is created. Usually takes about 2 seconds to add a transaction to the block, which contributes to user experience of your apps. And being transparent, you can see everything is available on GitHub, and it is an ecosystem for developers. So they have all the tools, products, and components necessary to streamline the process of building and running DApps. Going into their DeFi ecosystem, Waves Tech is a comprehensive yield-generating DeFi eco. It's operable in multiple chains, it's in DeFi, and with unique financial products and mechanics that cater to investors, traders, and developers, the Lego blocks of digital finance. Then you're going to have Waves, which is the open source blockchain protocol. Then you have Neutrino, which is going to act as their stable coin, USDN, or Neutrino USD. And you have Swap5, which is going to be an automated market maker based on Waves blockchain, which combines several types of liquidity pools. Then you have the Waves Exchange, which is going to be the blockchain protocol that has the adoption of DeFi applications and other DApps. Next up is Gravity Protocol, which has a wide range of technological features and usability and is designed to speed up the adoption of DeFi apps and other DApp use cases. And finally, they have a virus.finance, which is coming soon. Here's a quick look at Waves Exchange, the easiest way to access DeFi. Sign up without using KYC, which is clutch. Nobody can access your crypto. It is DeFi and decentralized, fully transparent, governance by users, so you can vote on adjusting parameters such as fees and interest rates. So far we have 13,000 users invested, $374 million total invested, and 13.3 million plus total users income. Some of these stakings that you can do, there's some crazy staking that they have right now that's available. Lambo Investments 64%, algorithmic trading at 153%. That you can stake with either stable coins or with other coins themselves, or go with the basic LP staking for up to 8%. Neutrino offers 10%. So there's a lot of ways to make money. You can see they also have their USDN stablecoin integrated into here, so you can buy and sell tokens with USDN, even USDT to USDN. So Neutrino protocol is the core development of Neutrino. It's an algorithmic price stable cryptocurrency protocol that allows for the creation of stablecoins tied to specific real-world assets such as national currencies or commodities. To wrap up the overview of Waves before we get into the technical analysis, let's go over WavesDucks, which is their new NFT game. So you can build your own duck empire. They're pretty interesting looking. Duck-shaped people and duck-faced people, like an Alec Baldwin or a Trump or a Biden. It's pretty funny. And they've got a Doge duck. WavesDucks is a game focused on collectible digital duck images in the NFT format. You can collect ducks and share them with other players, as well as breed ducks to get a unique, highly valuable item. So on the road to the duck empire, you would earn egg tokens in the game's rounds or buy them. You would swap your eggs for Genesis ducks. You would breed these Genesis ducks to get a unique one. And then you would buy and sell NFT ducks in the secondary market, and then you can finally collect passive income from duck farming. So if you wanted to start getting into this, there are eggs for free. Each week we start new social media activities. You have an opportunity to win eggs for a small quest. For example, quoting a tweet or something small like that. And then you can also buy egg tokens by creating a Waves account and then buying Waves and swapping Waves for eggs. Right now in WavesDucks, the most expensive duck is going to be worth around $15,000. There's been 181 ducks created so far and $560,000 worth of volume since July 10th. So if you're into NFTs or if you're interested into Waves or NFTs, definitely take a look at WavesDucks. I'm probably going to get into this, not right now, but in a couple weeks. I do like the concept a lot. It seems like a lot of fun. Let's take a quick look at the hourly and the stonk bot. We are hitting a major support area around here, so we're looking to see if price can hold and start to move up for Waves. Keep in mind they just released the information about the WavesDucks NFT yesterday, so there's a pretty good chance after that bullish news we could see a nice little spike in price. Based on this chart, you can see the STO RSI is in oversold, and as well the RSI is sitting under the 50, so has plenty of room to break as an impulse move with the STO and have a nice little boom if it wants to break this 13.6 area. Now the volume flow indicator has a lot of space to grow as well, so hopefully for Waves we can break out. Now we've been in the couple channels. I added this little trend line here, that's a downtrend. This is what we're trying to currently break out of, so if price can break over the top and hold a little bit longer, we could see a nice impulse move. Now, if it does fail, we could also see this break down, and if we break down, we could get to the $11 range. More than likely, we could see a support hold around 12.5 based on the historical data. And if we do get a large impulse move, I'm looking to get all the way up to around 17. More than likely, we could see a stall out in the $15 region. Moving into the 4-hour chart, you can see that we're still sitting in bullish sentiment as well. We're getting a nice little support hold in this general area, and price has been holding pretty consistent. We're waiting to see a little bit more volume show up. There's not anything here that would be signaling a massive impulse yet. Going all the way to the daily on Waves, we're actually sitting pretty well compared to some of the other projects. We didn't fully break under the 100% based on the fib move. So as long as we can stay in this general area and hold, we might be able to see a nice impulse move back. Keep in mind we're at $13 right now, and price has gone up to $42. So 3 times move would be $39. Now if we want to look at the long-term game for Waves, we're sitting at 1.4 billion. This thing could easily reach 20 billion market cap if it really wanted to get to where Binance is now. Out of 40 billion, you're talking about a little bit under a 40 times move. So there's a lot of space for Waves to grow. Even a 10 times move is very plausible. 13 billion is not that high for a market cap, and that means you're talking about $131 per coin. Since it is an infinite token, they have burn incentives and stuff like that based on their stable coins. So when they're minting stable coins, you could see the thing shoot up. Anyone that was a part of the USD Terra move when Luna was minting through their stable coin, we saw Luna bounce 100% in a day. So we could see something similar with Waves if they start to mint through their stable coin. The other thing with Waves is that they're ready to boom with any market. So sometimes the NFTs will go, and then the DeFi will go, and then the other projects will go. Somebody like Waves who's building horizontally, so they have a little bit in everything. They're going to boom with the NFTs, they're going to boom with the DeFi market, they're going to boom with the yielding, they're going to boom with the liquidities, all that kind of stuff. So that is important to keep in mind when moving forward. I think this is just the beginning for Waves. We do trade this a lot in our futures trading in our Discord group because it is a highly volatile token. That's why you got to trade it with a nice stop loss and use trailing stop losses and things like that when you're trading futures. If you want more on that, make sure to come join our Discord group. If you haven't had a chance to already, make sure to throw a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. And I hope everyone has an amazing day.